Innocence is the beauty of soul and heart. Being human means being innocent. Today, Anusha Yadav is here to narrate a beautiful story of an innocent child, the lost child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. It was the time of spring festival, and all the villagers they were going to the village fair decorated in different attire. There was happiness all around, and out of the crowd there was a small little boy who was also going to the village fair along with his parents. He was brimming with life, love, fun, and laughter. He was running between the legs of his father. He was very much attracted by the crowd because for the first time he was about to go to the village fair. It was something like a dream to him. When they reached the entrance of the village fair, he was shocked to see the colorful stalls and decorated shops. He reached to a toy shop and being a child, बच्चा ही तो है, he demanded that mother, I want a toy. Mother refused by stretching her eyes, and that innocent child moved further without even waiting for the answer of his father because he was very much aware that there should be refusal from him. Then next he reached to a sweet shop. Rasgulla, gulab jamun, jalebi, laddu. The sweets were decorated with gold and silver leaves on top of them. He was feeling like eating them. And being the innocent child, as this chapter is related to the innocence of the child, he demanded, Mother, I want that sweet. I want barfi. But after a second, the child starts moving. Again, he did not even wait for the answer because he was very much aware that his father is going to say no, that you are big enough, there is no need of eating sweets, you are a grown up child. Next way, he observed colorful balloons, colors of Vibgyo, red, yellow, green, purple, indigo. He thought of taking one balloon, a bunch of balloons. But he was known to this that father is going to say, you are not in an age to play with balloons. You are a grown up mature boy. He moved further. Mother was very much in terror. The nature of the father, reason being because this is a male society. We can't say that Indian society is a male dominating society. So mother started diverting the mind of the child, taking his mind to the mustard fields where there are butterflies, there are dragonflies, and we call it as helicopters. So the child was so much pure by heart that he got diverted and he started looking here and there and started playing with dragonflies. Next, there was Snake Charmer. He was very much shocked and surprised to see dance of Snake Charmer over the beat of that Snake Charmer is playing. He was shocked how the snake is dancing. But the curiosity ends when the father is saying, come child, come. And the child who was lagging behind because of the attractions, because of the decorations or because of the fascinations started joining the steps of his parents. As they reached to a roundabout, he looked at the roundabouts, full swing all around, and children they are hooting and shouting and they are enjoying the rides of the swing. And he thought of demanding, he turned back and observed that there is nothing. He gets lost. There is no sign of his parents. Oh my God, it was something like a jerk to him. The boy started crying, red nose, running nose, and he was looking, where is my father, where is my mother? The same child who was attracted by the toys and sweets and balloons started saying, where is my father, where is my mother? I want my father, I want my mother. Now he was running here and there. But yes, I do agree that there is humanity in this world, a stranger came and picked the child in his arms. He started making the child to feel relaxed, to feel to soothe out of that stress that there is no sign of his parents. The child is saying, I want my father, I want my mother. The stranger took him to the toy shop and sweet shop and balloon shop and gave him, a kind of pleasure to purchase anything of his. The things which were of so much attraction and which were of so much favoritism for the child were of no use to him now. He thought that I really want my father, I really want my mother. Means the child lost interest in all the things that he was thought of taking previously. They were looking here and there at the roundabout. The stranger thought of making the child comfortable in all the possible ways, but the child just said, I want my mother, I want my father. The story ends here. I really want to say there might be possible ending. The child found the parents, or the stranger took the boy to the police station. There are possible ways to end the story. But I really want to say that there is one beautiful concept in the story, the innocence of the child throughout the chapter, that a child always enjoys everything only in the presence of his. This is the innocence and the humanity of the stranger. So I do believe that Indian beautiful culture is full of innocence, is full of humanity, and should be like this. But when sometimes I read some articles on newspaper, or when I open my TV and found that humanity is being degraded nowadays, I feel bad. So I really want this beauty of innocence and beauty of humanity should remain there in our Indian culture. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.